Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can search for specific users and what they are selling on eBay. So for example, let's type electronics to find any listing, and let's say I want to see what this guy is selling. So obviously you can go here and find by going to his store and find it that way. However, if you know only the username and you do not know what the person is selling, which items, there is an alternative way to find this. So for example, I want to see I know that this is the store name and I want to see all of the items that the person is selling. So if I type it in the search, I can see that this way the conduct opens for other items and it's not the same seller. As you can see, the seller is for example BZZINT instead of this Condrox. So what you have to do is you go to advanced and then press buy seller, or you can, I will delete this from the keyword, and then if you scroll down here to the sellers section, press only show items for specific seller, type the username, make sure that you do not make any typos, and press search. And there you go. You can see that all of these listings are from the same seller. So if I, for example, open some of them up, you will be able to see that this was the old tab. You will be able to see that this is from the Condrox store. So I hope that this was a useful quick tutorial, and see you guys in my next tutorial.